Upon this bill being dropped, we have already had numerous verbal commitments to endorsement. Ohio Right to Life, several of the major hospital systems throughout the state, the addiction treatments community is very excited about this opportunity. And before we left on break, Sean and I were able to garner over 40 co-sponsors out of the House. So it is a piece of legislation that is needed. It's a piece of legislation that there's agreement on that. And it's again, it's an opportunity to reach out rather than push back. That's all I have. Thank you folks for coming, I appreciate it.
Can you take a couple of questions?
Sure. Oh, sure.
Who are the pregnant women that are going to be required to participate or are open to participate? What are the kind of, how do you get into the program? Who has to do it? And what is the program exactly?
Well, there are a number of opportunities that where a pregnant mother could become a part of the program. You know, you have the expectant mother who goes to the prenatal care. The doctor identifies that she is using. The doctor has the responsibility to provide information to that patient of the option of that opportunity for this treatments, that it is available. But if the doctors fail to do that, they have an immunity because sometimes they may not notice, they may not be recognizable in the testing they do. If an expectant mother chooses to seek help, then that would be another opportunity. That's one of the challenges, though, quite frankly, to get the community, make the community aware of this option.
Just so the process is, if a pregnant woman goes to the hospital and she's determined to be addicted, Children's Services is notified by a mandatory reporting process, and that's where this process will start. So once CSB is notified, what I've seen from not just being a prosecutor but guardian ad litem and some of the legal work I've done is CSB is waiting there for that child to be born and takes the child immediately. What we're saying is if you enter into this program within 20 weeks and you're completing it, or if the judge says, okay, it's 21 weeks, and you enter into this program, CSB cannot take the child solely based on the fact that you're addicted, as long as you're in this program and following the prerequisites of the program. And if you're following it, then CSB will not take the child at birth. But CSB does still have the opportunity to go to the home, investigate, make sure there's other things not going on, happening in the home. The house is deplorable, other conditions that they may take the child. Basically, it's solely based on addiction. If there's other issues, we want CSB involved. And we still want them involved even at the stage where we're at, but they cannot file a complaint in juvenile court and take the child.
So, just a follow-up. So, is the mandatory reporting already going on, and what this bill would do is add the treatment program?
That's correct. The mandatory is already going on.
That's already going on. Okay, thank you.
Are any other states doing this?
Actually, I was alerted to this opportunity through the state of Tennessee, who implemented it in 2013. We do have a couple twists. It's not an exact legislation.
Is the idea behind this, let's say it's possible, is it possible for an expectant mother to, her drug addiction to go unnoticed, but she can still voluntarily enter into the program too? Is the idea to also get those people to enter into the program with creating some type of safe haven?
Our goal is anyone that has the need, who seeks help, that help is there for them.
One of, our concerns is that a mother expecting may not go to the doctor to get prenatal health based on fear that either she knows someone whose children were taken or other children were taken. So we want to give them a safe haven that if you follow and get the help that's necessary, then you will be protected and stay in the program and do the prerequisites as